Hey guys, hope everyone is doing great. All right, so today I'm going to show you how, once you have received the invitation from your group admin, how you're going to basically make your deposit. Right, so you go to your Trust wallet. Okay, you go to Discover. I'm gonna go to CircleFlow. All right, I'm gonna write it down. CircleFlow .live. Right, and then we go. As you can see, I'm here. The first thing which you need to do, remember this, you must have a Trust or MetaMask wallet or any other decentralized wallets which you may be using. All right, but make sure that it's supporting Binance Smart Chain. So you go to connect. I'm gonna use Trust wallets, and then you see here it says Ethereum, so you need to change to Binance Smart Chain. But if you don't see an option to change, don't stress, just connect the contract itself. It will change it to Binance Smart Chain. All right, so do that, you sign, and you're good to go. So now I know if I need to do like this, it's gonna take me time. The easiest way, I press on the beggar sign and then active groups. Then I check the groups which are active. I can see this first one, and then we have the second one here. So in this case, we're going to make a deposit for our dream team Stockville. All right, so I'm gonna come right here. As you can see, I'm the only person who's remaining to basically make the payment. So the first thing you will see here, it will say approve or deposit. So in my case, I'm going to deposit. All right, if it says approve, you just approve and then you press deposit. So I'm gonna deposit 1,000 taker, and we are done. So this is basically done. So now once all payments are done, you can see that this timer just reset. So we have 6 days and 23 hours to basically pay the next person, right? So that's how it's done. So, and right now, if you go right at the bottom, you will see number 1 is this wallet which is going to be paid, number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. So since this is the first round, so the admin need to trigger payouts, and then once that is done, you will see that the wallet address which is here, the first one, the number 1 here, they're going to basically receive the payment. So before we do that, we go to the contract. All right, we just want to see how much tokens we have in the smart contract. So if you want to see, because we're not using BNB, you can see it's 0. So you need to go to token holdings. So you press there, you will see we have 6,300 takers in the contract, as you can see right now. All right, and if you check here, you will see we have deposits, and so on, right? So if you want to check and see, you will see the transactions happening in the contract in real time right here. Okay, so I'm going to trigger payout. All right, I'm going to ask the admin to trigger payout, and you can take it from there. All right, that's it. So since all of us have been paid, right, the next option is to trigger payout. So I'm going to press trigger payout and then approve. That's it. All right, you can see that it's actually failed because I'm not the admin. Execution reverted, not group admin. So meaning only the group admin can basically do that. Just wanted to show you this, maybe in case someone tries, so that you can see that the contract is solid proof. All right.